Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see what is ISO 8583. So ISO 8583 is an international standard for financial transaction which is originated by the cards like credit card, debit card. It defined the message format and communication flow for the system that exchange the electronic transaction which is initiated by the cardholder using the payment cards. It is an universal language that allow different financial transactions such as ATM transaction which we are doing in a ATM machine, the post terminal transaction that is point of sale transaction, the other transaction we are having that uh, for that the ISO 8583 message format is used. So it is a protocol that used to exchange an electronic transaction initiated by cardholder using card payments. Basically, when cardholder use a payment card for the electronic transaction, the data is exchanged throughout the network using the ISO 8583 data element message and codes. So, which type of transaction we can do using that? So, we can do purchase transaction, we can do, or where we can use that ISO 8583 message format. So, it will used for the purchase transaction, cash withdrawal transaction, deposit, reversal, the fund transaction, balance inquiry, payment, or inter-account transfer. So, these are the type of transactions. Next, we are having MTI, that is message type indicator, which is basically four digit field. So for each digit, it is having a different meaning. Like the first digit will indicate the version of ISO 8583. Then the second digit will indicate the class of message. Third digit will indicate the function of message. So second digit card of message, like it is a financial transaction or what type of transaction it is. Then next is a function of message. So where we are using it, like it is for request, it is for response. Then the last one is indicate who initiated, like for from it is issuer bank or from it is the acquirer bank. So this is an message type indicator. Next, we are having how does ISO work? So the objective of this protocol is to transmit the information for the payment processing via network using the TCP/IP socket. And ISO 8583 message can up to the 63 to 170 fields and is processed in linear manner and other words. So this is how it works. Next we are having bitmap. So bitmap or bitmap is a fields or subfields within the message which indicates the other type of data elements of or the sub elements which is present somewhere else in a message. So the bitmap is a crucial element that indicates which data field are present in the message. It is string of bit like zeros or ones where each bit corresponding to specific data element. If the bit is set to the one, the corresponding data element is included in the message. If bit is zero, then the corresponding data element is absent in the message. So this is the significant for the bitmap. Next, we are having the data elements. So this is actually the fields that contain transaction data. ISO 8583 define up to 128 data element and each element with the specific purpose. So data elements like the primary code, a primary account number or the card number. The next is processing code. Then we are having transaction amount, time, date, the response code. Then we are having expiry date, the processing code, then pause entry mode. So we are having different type of data elements. So how it works, let's see. When a customer make a purchase with a credit card or debit card on a POS terminal, so POS terminal will collect the transaction data and format it into the ISO 8583 message, and this message is then sent through a series of network to the merchant bank, that is to the acquirer bank, then to the card network, like we are having different card network like Visa, Mastercard, GCB. So acquirer bank will transfer this data to the card network, and finally card network will send this all details to the issuer bank. So issuer bank will done some checks on that transaction, like sufficient balance is there, the fraud flag will check, the account status will check, and if everything is fine, then issuer message will send an ISO response message back to the network, and network to the acquirer bank, and acquirer bank to the POS terminal, which indicating whether the transaction is approved or declined. So this is the process where the ISO 8583 message format will use in the card originated transaction.